Still newspaper till her dead, getting stronger during election. Sure you know about this connection.
BPJS has been successful. Many issues, so should be careful. Spreading out by your naughty finger. TikTok, YouTube and many others. Another thing that makes it tragic, caused by words of scammer dramatic, such as a rose that is really fake. People get lost, ashamed at mistake.
Tragically, all content that grows so viral, collective content is make a content they don't really know, spreading to everywhere as a show. After they've been told about the fact, they realize the content's so fake. Tragically wrong, content goes viral, while corrective content is ignored. Whoa, that is so much tragic, but reality is so dramatic. Tragically wrong, content goes viral, while corrective content is ignored. Whoa, that is so much tragic, but reality is